This is the second part of episode 10 on how to refuse an invitation or request. Stay tuned to find out more. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. Once again, we will be continuing our topic on how to refuse invitations and requests, or what we call 断る. Are you ready? Let's get into it. それでは始めましょう。As always, specific excuses make convincing refusals, and your friends will not hold them against you. These are some sentences which you can use. Number 1. すみませんが、休養ができてしまいましたので。This means, I'm sorry, but something urgent has come up. Let's practice. すみませんが、休養ができてしまいましたので。すみませんが、休養ができてしまいましたので。すみませんが、休養ができてしまいましたので。Number 2. 申し訳ありませんが、20日は都合が悪いのですが。This sentence means, I'm afraid I'm not free on the 20th. When you try to use this sentence, you may just change the date depending on your situation. In this case, we used 20日, which means the 20th. Let's practice. 申し訳ありませんが、20日は都合が悪いのですが。申し訳ありませんが、20日は都合が悪いのですが。申し訳ありませんが、20日は都合が悪いのですが。Number 3. 風邪をひいてしまってうつすといけないですから。This sentence means, I've got a cold. I wouldn't like you to get it. Let's practice. 風邪をひいてしまってうつすといけないですから。風邪をひいてしまってうつすといけないですから。風邪をひいてしまってうつすといけないですから。In cases when your reasons still do not convince the listener, even if you're trying to politely dodge the invitation or request, you can try one of these direct refusal statements. Number 1. 申し訳ありませんが、今回はお役に立てそうにありません。This sentence means, I'm sorry, but I can't help you this time. Let's practice. 申し訳ありませんが、今回はお役に立てそうにありません。申し訳ありませんが、今回はお役に立てそうにありません。申し訳ありませんが、今回はお役に立てそうにありません。Number 2. 申し訳ありませんが、今回はご遠慮させていただきます。This sentence means, I'm sorry, but maybe next time. Let's practice. 申し訳ありませんが、今回はご遠慮させていただきます。申し訳ありませんが、今回はご遠慮させていただきます。申し訳ありませんが、今回はご遠慮させていただきます。Here's a summary of what we have talked about today. We have reached the end of chapter 1, which is basic Japanese. We would like to thank you for being with us in learning the Japanese language. For our next video, Angel will explain to you what chapter 2 is all about, so please look forward to that. I hope that these phrases and sentences will help you someday. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。